Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to check all uploaded photos in Facebook, and all we have to do is to launch our Facebook application, and then from here we are going to tap on our profiles here at the top. We're going to tap on settings and privacy. We're going to tap on settings again, and then from here we are going to navigate to where our activity is. Then just below it, we're going to tap on activity log. From here, we're going to tap on your Facebook activity. And then from here, we are going to tap on manage posts. From here, we are going to tap on the filters. Then we're going to tap on categories. From here, we are going to either tap on your posts on others' timelines or your posts, photos, and videos. I'm going to tap on it. From there, I can see the photos or uploads that I have uploaded to my Facebook account. Let's say if I decide to tap on the three dots and then I tap on view, and I can decide to either save the post, delete, or edit the post, or even put it on privacy. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.